it's Teacher Carrie here, and I'm back for another TPR tutorial. Today I want to take you through some of the most common prepositions you'll see in the VIPKID curriculum. But if you haven't caught my first couple of TPR videos, be sure to check them out in the info card up above or look for a link down in the description. I'm just going to kind of rapid fire off these prepositions, so be sure to pause this video or watch it back if you need to see them again. Let's get started. About, above, across, after, apart, around, away, behind, below, beside or by, down, from, in or inside, on, off, out or outside, toward or towards, under, with, and without. I hope these TPR hand gestures help you as you're teaching your VIPKID students. Let me know down in the comments below what are some of your favorite TPR hand signals to use in class. And of course, let me know if you have any questions about using TPR or if you need help with a particular vocabulary word, concept, level, or unit. I'll be happy to help you out with a new tutorial. I hope you have a great day teaching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!